The story opens on a bustling, high-speed expressway where masked anti-hero Wade Wilson, also known as Deadpool, is poised and ready. With his weapons drawn, he ambushes Ajax and a convoy of his men, sparking an intense, chaotic fight. As bullets fly and bodies fall, Deadpool pauses occasionally to break the fourth wall, sharing with the audience his winding path to becoming the red-suited mercenary he is today. 2 years before his life as Deadpool, Wade Wilson was a former Canadian Special Forces operative turned mercenary in New York City. Dishonorably discharged, Wade found his skills better suited to the shadowy world of mercenary work. One night, at a gritty bar run by his friend Weasel, Wade's life takes an unexpected turn when he meets Vanessa Carlyle, a fiercely independent escort with a quick wit, playful game where they each try to outdo one another with tales of their troubled childhoods. For Wade, Vanessa is more than a client. She's a mirror image of himself, and their connection quickly turns into a romance. They go to a fair, spend hours together, sealing their bond. 1 year later, Wade decides to take the plunge. He proposes to Vanessa, who, overjoyed, accepts. Wade collapses. In a cruel twist of fate, doctors diagnose him with terminal cancer in his lungs. Although Vanessa vows to stay by his side, Wade can't bear the thought of her watching him die. Enter a mysterious recruiter from a covert organization, promising Wade a radical cure for his cancer. He offers Wade a spot in an experimental program that can unlock superhuman abilities and claims to make him a superhero. Desperate and driven by love, Wade decides to leave Vanessa and take the recruiter's offer, hoping to beat cancer without subjecting her to his suffering. The transformation. Wade finds himself in a bleak underground laboratory where he meets Ajax and his lethal assistant, Angel Dust. Ajax, Wade soon discovers, is no ordinary doctor but a former patient of the experiment with powers and a twisted sense of control. Ajax explains that he and Angel Dust were once ordinary people, but the experiments gave them extraordinary abilities. However, Wade's treatment is anything but humane. Ajax subjects him to days of brutal torture, hoping to trigger his latent mutant genes. The torture grows progressively more severe. Wade taunts Ajax by revealing his real name, Francis Freeman, a revelation that only intensifies Ajax's cruelty. In retaliation, Ajax locks Wade in a sealed, airtight chamber, adjusting the oxygen levels to keep him in a constant state of suffocation. It's inside this oxygen chamber, at his breaking point, that Wade's mutation finally triggers. A powerful healing factor emerges, eradicating his cancer, but disfiguring his entire body with scar-like tumors. Escaping the chamber, Wade confronts Ajax, desperate for a cure to his new appearance. But Ajax, coldly amused, reveals there is no cure. Defeated, Wade is impaled and left for dead in the burning laboratory. Yet Wade is no ordinary man anymore. His new healing ability keeps him alive, allowing him to survive the fire and escape. But upon seeing his grotesque appearance, he decides to stay away, believing she deserves better than his disfigured self. Wade confides in Weasel, who advises him to find Ajax and force him to reverse his disfigurement. To hunt down Ajax, Wade adopts a new identity, Deadpool. He chooses his red costume with the help of an elderly blind woman named Blind Al, who becomes his unlikely roommate and confidant. Red, after all, will mask his wounds, a practical choice for a vigilante constantly facing danger. Over the next year, Deadpool hunts Ajax's associates, leaving a trail of bodies as he gathers clues. Eventually, one of Ajax's former henchmen reveals Ajax's whereabouts. Deadpool zeroes in on his target, tracking Ajax to a convoy of armored cars on a busy expressway. On his way, he rides with Dopinder, a lively cab driver, who quickly becomes a friend. Deadpool's assault on the convoy is explosive and relentless, leaving no one standing. When he finally corners Ajax, Deadpool demands the cure to his disfigurement. But just as he's about to exact revenge, 2 X-Men arrive. Colossus, whose entire body can turn to steel, and Negasonic Teenage Warhead, a fiery teenager. The 2 mutants have been trying to recruit Deadpool into the X-Men, warning him against his reckless use of powers. As Deadpool argues with Colossus, Ajax seizes the distraction and escapes. Furious, Deadpool attempts to attack Colossus, but the X-Man's steel body easily overpowers him. Colossus drags Deadpool away, determined to bring him back to Professor Xavier's X-Mansion. But Deadpool has other plans. He saws off his own hand to escape. The final showdown. Now alerted to Wade's vendetta, Ajax realizes he needs leverage and heads to Weasel's bar, where he learns of Vanessa. Deadpool's world shatters when he hears from Weasel that Ajax has abducted her. Racing to the strip club where Vanessa works, Wade finds himself unable to face her and leaves. Ajax kidnaps her, baiting Deadpool into a final confrontation on a decommissioned helicarrier in a scrapyard. Deadpool assembles his team, enlisting Colossus and Negasonic. Together, they storm the helicarrier. As Deadpool slices through Ajax's guards, Colossus and Negasonic engage Angel Dust in a brutal showdown. The battles rage on until Negasonic accidentally destabilizes the helicarrier, causing it to tip. In the chaos, Colossus and Negasonic, while Deadpool saves Vanessa just in time. As the dust settles, Deadpool and Ajax face off in a final brutal fight. Ajax, caught and powerless, admits there's no cure for Wade's disfigurement. In a rage, Deadpool kills him, much to Colossus's dismay. Vanessa confronts Wade, furious at his absence, but ultimately moved by his sacrifice and the truth behind his disappearance. Embracing him, she accepts him, scars and all. Aftermath. As the screen fades, humorously teasing the audience with hints of a sequel featuring the enigmatic Cable, leaving viewers eager for the next adventure in the saga of the Merc with a Mouth.